Alright guys, let's sign in.
Hello guys, this is the app that will help us to get free airtime. Yes, it is called Flashout as you see on the screen right now. So I will guide you step by step procedure on how to create an account. You can use the link in my description under this video to download the app and begin to earn free airtime. So let's begin. So you tap on the app as you see on my screen right now. When you tap on the app, it says complete task and earn airtime. So you guess, if you are new here, you click on the get started. But if you already have an account as me, you press on login. So I already have an account, so I'll click on the login button. Then I enter my details. It said email and password, so I'll enter my email and the password as you see on the screen. Then I log in. Yes. When the account is logged in, there are many ways you can do to earn airtime. The first one is you can earn airtime by inviting friends on this app. So after your app has been successfully opened or created, then you press on the earn airtime here. This is a quick notice to the app. As you see on my screen right now, it says special invite to women. Antigi is committed to empowering more women through education and skills development. Please invite your female friends, colleagues, and family members. Which means this app was basically created for women. Yes. Which means if you are signing up as a new customer on this app, when you are signing up, you see a space here which has been written gender, as you see on my screen right now. When you tap on the gender, if you are male, you have to lie and input female as you see on my screen right now. If you use male, you are not going to get that 3 cedis airtime I'm talking about. Which means this app, I've already said that this app was created basically for women. So you are going to lie on this app by inserting female as a gender on this app, not male. Take note, not male. It is rather for females. Okay. So after our account has been successfully opened, then you press on the earn airtime here. Join Antigi and invite your friends. So you invite your friends. It says invite your friends for more airtime. So whenever you use your special link here to invite your friends and a friend sign up to this app, you are going to get 3 cedis airtime as your friend is also going to get some. Yes, that is how you will be earning on this app. And the second method is, it says complete your first course and get rewarded by completing a course, as you see on the screen. So you also tap here as you see earn airtime. When you click on that button, this is how it will appear. It says a career of tourism, a career of hospitality. Yes, there are many tasks here. Each task will earn you 5 cedis airtime each, as you see on my screen right now. So after you open the task and you complete the task, then you click on I complete. Then your balance, which is the dashboard, will be credited with 5 cedi airtime, of which you can redeem into your SIM card. So after we complete the survey, then we will tap on reward as you see on the screen. Yes, our reward has been given to us as 3 cedi airtime. So we redeem. So we tap on redeem as you see on the screen. Then you enter your mobile number you use to collect the airtime. So as I'm typing my number, so then you choose your network you are using. Me, I'm using the MTN. So I'll choose my MTN. Then I'll enter the amount I will be redeeming. So as you see on my screen, I'll be redeeming 3 cedis. So I'll tap on, then I tap on redeem. It says sending airtime. Yes, my airtime has been given to me. My airtime has been given to me. Yes, I have received my messages as you see on my screen right now. Let's see. Yes, it said you have received 3 cedis airtime. Yes, that is the proof. That is my proof.
So if you find this video helpful, kindly like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. Thank you.